Taxes are not voluntary. The law of the land stipulates that each entity, irrespective of whether a business or individual, is needed by law to file tax returns. The businesses in particular must pay up their quarterly dues to the IRS. From the accounting standpoint, taxpayers would need the services of both a CPA and a tax attorney to solve demanding or longstanding IRS issues. There is certainly a major supply of proficient accountants. It is available, and most of them would be able to assist with the financial advice relating to the IRS taxation issue. Their familiarity with taxation laws may be limited. To get proper legal information, you often need a lawyer. Depend on customer feedback, the reputation of the firm, and any reputable tax accountant would be able to give a good referral. It is helpful to learn how a tax attorney would be able to help you. The services provided by the tax attorney fall into two major categories. The knowledge of duty laws. Tax attorneys could help in your financial planning. It helps you prevent future taxation difficulties. They act as a consultant and advise you while on the financial path. It must be compliant with the stipulated revenue laws. When tax disputes occur, only an experienced consultant can help you. A tax lawyer would represent your interests and also safeguard your rights in case you become involved in some unavoidable tax controversies. In case you are already facing certain issues with the IRS or the state revenue authorities, the tax attorney would assist you by resolving the ongoing problems at hand. It may be possible that the tax attorneys would be able to negotiate debt relief by removing the levies and liens. In places such as Alabama, you can often find some of the best and most reputed consultants. They must be skilled and also be able to arbitrate the reductions of penalties or interest. It would handle all the negotiations with the IRS or the government on your behalf. The IRS tax attorneys would normally be accredited lawyers. They may have been trained to focus on both domestic and international taxation. Armed with in-depth knowledge of the taxation laws, they would be able to assist with counselor and also advice on taxes. As these professionals are experts in understanding and applying tax laws, they could help you in finding debt relief to minimize the amount owed to internal revenue. You can also assist in setting up a payment plan to minimize debt obligations. Services which are provided by a tax debt attorney may include negotiating the repayment of taxes on your behalf. It is also able to provide assistance on most of the tax-related problems. If in case you are deficient on taxes, you should also be aware that the policy for the IRS includes encouraging full payment of all tax debts. It also includes exacting instructions and the administrative barriers before they accept an installment agreement. The offered services of an IRS tax lawyer are almost absolutely necessary while facing tax-related issues, especially those of an audit.
Atong adlawan ako'y naina-ina, guwapa makalike yung kasiyahan. Confirm your friend yun niya, bisag tanawon sa akong notification. Unya nag-online ko, naga-online nga siya. Werteng malasa, nagalagaw na siya. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka makita. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka machata. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka komentan. Kay ang status mo, it's complicated. nabantayan, wana ka sa internetan. Di ko mangandoy kay pagkakapoy. Status mo palang unlike sa kung dughan. Unya nag-online ko, naga-online na siya. Werteng malasa, nagalagaw na siya. Sa Facebook na lang di ka makita. Sa Facebook na lang di ka machata. Sa Facebook na lang di ka komentan. Kay ang status mo, it's complicated. Sa Facebook na lang di ka makita. Sa Facebook na lang di ka machata. Sa Facebook na lang di ka komentan. Kay ang status mo, it's complicated.